here from Satnav Systems, and today we have Volkswagen T6.1, the latest transporter, and it comes with navigation. This car came equipped with a navigation and front and rear sensors. What we've done is we've upgraded it with the reversing camera, original Volkswagen reversing camera. So before I show you here on the screen, I'll show you first at the back how it looks. So as you can see, the camera is located here. It's like a lip mount kind of camera, all original. It's on the tailgate, so I hope you can see it well. There you go. And now I'm going to show you how this performs in the car. Right, so select the reverse gear. Comes up automatically on the screen as you would expect. You can still see the parking sensors as original, so front and rear. There's beeping. Let me just get this off. And there you go, and you can see the reversing camera. So we've got the guidelines. These are static, they do not move, so if I move the steering wheel they stay on. And if I move forward and show you quickly, these are the sensors still working. And if I put it back into the reverse, there you go, you can reverse, watching the camera closely. You can see the bumper here, and there you go, and we know exactly how far we are from any obstacle when we're reversing. So fully done to the factory specification, obviously with 3 years warranty. If you want to check your car, if you want to check your car compatibility, just get in touch with us by going to our website, contact us page, or simply send us an email, info@satnavsystems.com, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.